Okay, so now we have a game which has our inventory. We can select our guns and we can save them in our inventory, but it would be nice if we could automatically, when we step on the gun or collide with the gun, we can loot it, and it'll go in our inventory. So let's do that now. So first of all, let's select each gun, and on the box collider we want to make sure that all the weapons are not triggers. So what we're going to do is create another game object, an empty game object, and we're going to set it as auto looter. Okay, and we'll put it inside the main camera, and we'll reset this, which is our component for our first person walker. And now that we have it over here, what we're going to do is to add to it a box collider. Okay, so now our FPS walker has a box collider, and what we're going to do is move it down a little bit, and so it's on the same ground floor. Looks like this, and we're going to put it in front of our first person shooter walker, okay, our FPS, and we'll set it as a trigger. Okay, and let's check that it's in front. Okay, so in order to auto loot these things, we need to create another script which we're going to name auto looter. Okay, and we're going to put it in our auto looter empty script, and we're just simply going to create a function Okay, so it's going to be on trigger enter. We also need a reference to our inventory. Okay, so there we have it. Now let's assign our script over here. So with this reference, we can access easily all these functions, which we are going to use the saved object in inventory. It's the same thing as we do over here. Okay, when we click, when we step over the object or run into it. So let's see this function, and we're going to use it on our auto looter. So first of all, we need to ask if the object that we are colliding with is a component of object info. And if it does have it, it means that if it's different than null, then we can auto loot that object. So, which is simple. We just call our function, and we simply call our game object. Let's save. And let's let's set this save object inventory. If it reaches here, it means that we have a problem over here, and it's that the inventory is full. Okay. .log. Save it. Okay, so we set a collider, and that should do it. Make sure that the bodies are, let's thicken them up a little bit, our box collider, so this auto looter will be able to hit it and loot it. That's all. So let's try it out. Okay, we're gonna put it over here, and we're gonna walk, and we'll walk over it and see how it disappeared, and it's over here. So when we collide into it, there we go, it's working. See how it auto loots the weapon and puts it into our inventory. Alright. Okay, now let's remove this. We don't need it.